Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to win more Solo Battle Royale matches in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, map familiarity. Study the map thoroughly to know the best drop location, high loot areas, and potential enemy hotspots. Landing strategy. Choose your landing spot wisely, aiming for less crowded areas initially to gather resources safely. Quick loot. Prioritize looting efficiently, focusing on essential items like weapon, armor plates, and ammunition. Loadout planning. Plan your loadout in advance based on your preferred playstyle, whether it's long-range sniping, close quarter combat, or balanced versatility. Awareness. Stay alert at all times, listening for footsteps, gunshots, and other audio cues to detect nearby enemies. Use headphones. Invest in quality headphones to enhance your audio awareness and pinpoint enemy location more accurately. Visual scanning. Continuously scan your surrounding for movement, open doors, and other sign of enemy presence. Utility items. Always carry utility items like grenades, flashbangs, and heartbeat sensors to gain a tactical advantage in your engagements. Armor management. Keep your armor plates fully stocked to increase your survivability in gunfights. Positioning. Prioritize high ground and cover during engagement to gain a positional advantage over your opponents. Circle awareness. Stay mindful of the circle's location and movement, planning your movements accordingly to avoid being caught in the gas. Vehicle usage. Utilize vehicles strategically for fast rotation and repositioning, but be cautious of drawing attention to your location. Silence weapons. Consider using silent weapons to minimize noise and maintain stealth when engaging enemies. Patience. Exercise patience and restraint when engaging enemies, waiting for opportune moment to strike. Combat skills. Hone your gunfighting skills through practice, mastering weapons recoil control, aim accuracy, and movement tactics. Escape routes. Always have an escape plan in mind when engaging in combat, knowing where to retreat if the situation becomes unfavorable. And that's how to win more Solo Battle Royale matches in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!